Ladies and gentlemen, this year we have very hot summer. We have actually the 5th wave of heat, and the temperature rises at more than 35 degrees. I think in Fahrenheit it's something like 100 degrees, so it's very, very hot. A couple of weeks ago we had like 41 degree, like 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally you can see, I planted this year some tomatoes, some little chili peppers, some pumpkins, but everything is going to die, I think. I don't know, I just water them. Let's see what we will do. Luckily roses are not dying, and people are saying that this year there won't be any vegetables and not much harvest, so we will see what it will be. Also, we got a fire on a construction site. Since the beginning of the summer we were on some construction sites, and some of them are really, really, really tough because we are asked to advance, otherwise we're not paid. And on the other side there's hot weather that doesn't allow us to advance on site. Yesterday there was a big fire on site. I had to took the excavator out of flames. Why it started burning, we don't actually know, but there was a lot of dry grass there, and it was quite scary. The fire was spreading at a speed like the same speed as a person who runs very fast. Luckily it didn't do any damages and we didn't lose any equipment. Everybody is safe, but now we have to take some measures. So now I'm thinking about not to say anymore like, yeah, we will advance, if I see that the weather is not good for it. I spent a night in the hospital because I had my lungs some smoke and it's not very comfortable, I must tell. Okay, so now I'll turn back to the stables. And a lot of people asked, some people in comments asked, why are you doing the stables? You have the shutter that is falling down. Yes, I have a shutter that is falling down, but I have also horses that mustn't fall down, so I need some space to keep the horses. And actually I moved them from the place where they were because they were losing weight. For me, the fact that they are losing weight is not a good sign, so that's why now for the moment they are at some farmer's place who is feeding them in aim to gain condition. And later they must come somewhere. As I said, that they will come to Pannard. And some people were saying, yeah, why don't you put just a shelter? I think just a shelter for our weather conditions is not a very good solution. I'm sorry, I keep coughing because of yesterday, but it doesn't matter. If I speak too much, it goes out. So a shelter, it's not very good for winter. And also I think this place must be, at least one part of it must be a space where horses can enter and exit. That's why. So and yes, you're right that this building is the steadiest one actually. That's why the steady building must be done first, at least provisionally, to have water inside and to have roof. Well, it has already a roof. It has to get some minor fixes, but otherwise, as this is synthetic tiles, those synthetic tiles allow to keep the roof out from water. So now that's the place that can be used. And for sure I won't use directly, I won't do the facade immediately. I will remove everything I can remove from the facade. Then I will see how and from where can be the entrance. And when the entrance is done, in this case I put like 3 boxes for horses, so they can go out during the day and then they can enter for the night. I think that will be the best solution. on this side we saw something strange. We have a layer of concrete or mortar to do the modern soil. Like underneath there are some kind of stones that are held together with some mortar. I don't know if it's cement or lime mortar, but underneath there's nothing, there's just sand. That's why I have a hypothesis. I'm thinking that maybe we have like 12 centimeters of modern soil, of modern floor, and underneath there is the original floor that is not, as I was supposing, made from kind of, how do you say? Stone plates, but finally it's maybe little stones that are held together using some kind of mortar. What was the typical soil? This building, it seems like the second part of 19th century, maybe the beginning of 20th. We don't have any older than 1905 pictures, and for sure. In the archives there is nothing, so we don't have any old pictures apart those that we have already. So let's just check on the internet what kind of soil they could do in the beginning of 20th century or in the end of 19th century, where probably this building was done. I am trying to find the foundation of this building, because I think that this mortar was not going up down to some depth, and like this we can see where were the original doors to trying to locate the original floor. Looks like another stair. Okay. Looks like an old canalization, isn't it? Ah, yeah, here. Comes from here, probably. Yeah, it goes there. So the pipe goes here. Now the question is it old pipe? Is it modern pipe? what goes here. You see, here there's a hole. Somebody holding me. So I can feel something weird. You need to pull me. Okay.
I've seen a movie like this.
Yeah, really?
When someone got stuck.
You know, the question is why it goes here. What for? Because normally, like, oh, check this out. Very strange because if this is for water, like, you see, like this. Okay, I cannot even imagine. Okay, this one looks like an old pipe from the gutter, and the other one, was it? What is it for? Go somewhere up. But for what? I have no idea. Ladies and gentlemen, if we suppose that this is the depth of our floor, and if we bring it there, let's go and see. Doing it here. So it's this distance deeper that it must be. This distance. So I would like to go and try again, maybe in another spot. Let's try to break some more. Okay, here you can see that here, you know, these windows seem original from the stables. Now let's see how is the ground here, how is the floor. I've had my fill right up to my collar, even the songs are me down. Wish I could die like a deep sea crawler. Someone who sees me, I would not be fine. A friend poured whiskey into my glass, said it will pass, just give it a day. He hooked it up me with a Lucy, alas. Whiskey will help you and Lucy will stay. But neither Lucy or whiskey can fix me. Whiskey brought pain and Lucy just sighed. Wish I could dive where the door can pick me. So live in water and never be spied. Сыт я по горло до подбородка, даже от песен стал уставать. Лечь бы на дно, как подводная лодка, чтоб не могли запеленговать. Друг предложил мне водку в стакане, друг говорил мне, что это пройдет. Друг познакомил с Веркой по пьяни, водка поможет, а Верка спасет. Но не помогли мне ни водка, ни Верка. С водки похмелье, а с Верки что взять? Лечь бы на дно, как подводная лодка, чтоб не могли запеленговать. Ladies and gentlemen, so today we continue doing what we have to do, our explorations in the stables, old stables, future stables. We didn't advance much, but we discovered some things. Stay with us, like, subscribe, and I am turning back on site where we have some troubles. I don't know why my team does not advance. We will see. See you.